In this video, I'll demonstrate how we can make anyone, yes, anyone, like us by following a few simple principles. These principles have transformed me from a shy, low-confidence teenager into a confident individual who actively builds new friendships. As I discuss these principles, visualize how you can apply them in your own life, whether at school, work, with friends, or at home with family. The power of the first impression. This is in case you're meeting someone for the first time and have a blank sheet to start with. Here's how you build a strong first impression. Ever noticed how you can form an opinion about someone in just 5 seconds of seeing them? Crazy, right? But don't worry, you don't need to look like a movie star to ace this. It's all about dressing a tad better than you have to. So, instead of blending in, stand out a bit. Find clothes that fit you like a glove, rather than going for the priciest brand out there. Take up more space. Sit a bit wider. Stand taller. Simple stuff, but it screams confidence. Keep your posture correct. Make sure that you sit up straight and you stand straight. Your head, shoulders, and chin should all be in one line. The posture, if done correctly, screams authority. Do these 3 things, and your first impressions will see a visible change. But then, liking someone isn't always driven by how they look, right? Yes, you'd like a person who appears nice or aesthetic or impresses you with their aura. But what good it is if the personality otherwise fails to do so? Let's take a peep into that too. Firstly, encourage others to talk about themselves. People are inherently interested in themselves, so by showing genuine interest in them, we make them feel important and valued. For instance, as a senior in university, I used to ask my juniors about what their take on a certain topic is when we had conversations. This simple act of encouraging them to talk about themselves led to a meaningful conversation and a positive interaction. They loved the fact that I am ready to listen to their point of view and not only talking all over them, making them instantly like me. It's actually a hack I learned from the book How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Secondly, giving sincere and honest compliments can instantly make someone like you. Seriously, how many dull and random compliments are out there? We give compliments for what? When we like something and genuinely want to appreciate it, or when we want to motivate someone. But in that, we put in so little effort that we take the same old cliched repeated compliments and use them for everyone. Simply put, if complimenting is expressing our likeness towards something, why not use our genuine emotions for that? A genuine compliment can brighten someone's day and make them feel valued. How to do that? Be specific. Tailor your compliment to something unique about the person. Instead of saying you're awesome, try, I really admire how dedicated you are to your work. Focus on effort or character. Compliment something the person has worked hard on or a quality they possess. For example, your presentation was so well prepared, or you're always so kind to everyone. Use positive language. Frame your compliment in a positive way. Avoid backhanded compliments or anything that could be misconstrued as insincere. Maintain eye contact. Look the person in the eye when giving your compliment. It shows sincerity and reinforces your connection. Thirdly, the best way to win an argument is to avoid it altogether. Trust me, nothing kills the vibe faster than a heated debate. Arguments rarely lead to positive outcomes. Instead, they breed resentment and hurt feelings. First off, pick your battles wisely. Not every disagreement is worth diving into. Ask yourself if it's really worth getting all worked up over. Most of the time, it's not. Next, stay calm and collected. When things start to get tense, take a deep breath and keep your cool. Getting all riled up only escalates the situation. Then there's empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and try to understand where they're coming from. It's a lot harder to argue with someone when you see things from their perspective. Fourth is common ground. It's like the secret sauce for making people really like you. Now, we all have stuff in common, whether it's hobbies, experiences, or even just shared interests. And if we find someone sharing the same with us, cheat code for instant like. So how do you find common ground? First off, be open-minded. You never know what you might have in common with someone until you give it a shot. Next, ask questions. Seriously, people love talking about themselves, so ask about their hobbies, favorite movies, or even where they grew up. Then, share your own interests. Don't be shy about what you're into. Whether it's your love for hiking, passion for cooking, or obsession with 90s sitcoms, share it. You might just find someone who's into the same stuff. Lastly, smile. A simple smile can convey warmth and acceptance. It shows that you're happy to see someone and can instantly lift their mood. Even if you don't feel like smiling, forcing yourself to do so can improve your mood and positively impact others. That's all for now. Let's go out and make someone's day a little brighter. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any tricks in making people like you, do share with us in the comments.